Sunod ko.
Try ni Nobes first time ang balon.
I feel like the chicken's dead.
Try it. Ano, sarap? Arte naman ito.
Wait, I'll take a picture of you. I'll take a picture of you. One lang, isa lang. Oh!
No!
One more, please.
See the cheek.
Isa lang.
That's the egg.
You wanna try it?
No, wait. Let me see.
Uy, ang sarap nito.
What's inside the egg? You just all the chicken!
Ito, oh. Ayun yung chick, oh. Baby chick. Look, I'm gonna eat it.
No! Ah!
Oh my gosh, masarap to kasi maliit lang yung sisiw.
Oh no. Chicken's gonna die.
Look, ah.
No, I wanna see the chicken! These people love killing animals.
There.
Why do you love killing animals,
May
people?
picture ka niya. Ayan, oh.
What? I didn't eat the chicken. I know that's his head. I see his head. No, I wanna see it.
Look, I'm really eating it.
Stop forcing us to eat wild animals.
This is just egg. Hindi na yan yung chicken. Oh, you like it? Kumain siya ng dilaw, oh.
The next day.
Hi, Leah! Hi! Ayaw tanggal, no? Hindi niya tinatanggal, no? Hi, Sleepy, no? Ito naman, no? Hi, Anaya! Where are you going? Ha? Babe, tapat mo dun sa mirror. Hello. Hello. Hi, babe.
Hello.
Punta tayong Mega Mall naman today. Mega Mall na ba? Sure na. Kasi gusto nila na Nax and Noah mag ice skating. And ang traffic. Papunta pala kami muna sa bahay. Kasi may dadaanan lang. After that, mag-ano tayo. Mega Mall. Hi! Hi! See her. Hello! Ang takaw, oh! Ang takaw, nakikita sa vlog, oh! Yummy! Tira mo, baby. What will you say? What will you say? Say thank you po! Ay! Dito tayo sa
Thirsty?
Quezon Avenue.
Oh, drink. I have to buy drink. Sige.
Gloomy na naman. Malamang umulan yan today dahil madilim siya, walang araw.
Tagal yan ito. Last year pa to.
Ayan. Ano abutan natin to? Itong condo?
Last year pa yun.
True tayo.
Yes, there is
This
way.
Dunkin Donut.
Ayun o, nasa side.
I want iced tea and I also want iced tea.
Available tayo sa ice tea, sir. Available tayo sa orange juice.
Ay babe, try nga natin yung yung...
Wait lang. Orange juice and dalandan flavor lang, boys.
What?
Oh, no iced tea.
Dalandan is good. It's like Filipino lemonade, dalandan. Babe, try ko na lang yung Pinoy Coco Espresso.
Isang Pinoy Coco Espresso.
Okay po.
Finally, nakadating na kami. Dito na lang tayo kasi merong mga pangmaramihan. Food wearing glasses. Alam nyo, sa Mega Mall lang ang punta namin pero grabe na traffic. Wait, don't move it, merong food hall dito sa 5th floor. Bili muna tayo ng milk tea dito habang naghihintay ng food. Teka nyo ah. Order ako, honey calamansi. Andito na yung food. Tigang na belly with torta, papaitan, crispy pork chop, pati sinigang na hipon and torta.
Even gonna skate. We're just gonna watch.
Pwede, ang next available slot is 8 PM to 10 PM. 4 o'clock Bakit yung legs ko?
That was fun.
You like it? Ay, nako. Napagod ako. Ngayon, mabilis lang. Dadaan tayong department store kasi wala na pajama yung boys. Nasa Birkenstocks kami.
So at least it's not...
Ayun o. Ito, this is cute. You want this?
the brown one. Oh, the blue one?
Blue and yellow?
Yeah, you wanna try it?
This one, or the green one?
Daddy, I want this. Is it like a black? I want this
Black?
one.
Sino
Ito,
meron
ito.
yung slippers, di ba?
I
Yung
want
gift
this
sa kanya.
one.
Naiwan
I
niya.
want
Hindi
this
niya
one.
nadala dito.
I want this one.
You want this
Ito
one?
mo, ito. Ito.
Ito nga
Wait,
cute.
I bring mine.
Ito na lang sa'yo. Para
Hindi,
meron
kuya.
kang slippers,
Ano
may
sila?
para kang ganito. Magkano yung ganito? 3,990.
Single mo to.
Grabe. Napagod ako. Ano, mas gusto mo slippers? Sayang talaga yung slippers dito. Hindi na dala dito.
Trinay ni Kuya? Did you try it na, Kuya?
But this one's comfortable.
The slippers one? O, di yung slippers na lang. Dapat yung pwede rin, yung pwede rin socks.
No one more last. I made a mistake. No, I made a mistake.
Hindi ka kasi nag-ice skate ka na.
Daddy, ready?
Go.
Okay.
See?
Handa ka?
Sakto lang.
Yeah, oo, sakto lang. Sakto.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's perfect, Kuya. Nice. Looks good.
Sige, you walk around.
So you walk, just walk around.
You walk around. Like, fine, oh, tingnan mo mga ako rin. And I can adjust this.
Ay, Army, no.
Try this. Ito, ate, meron kang...
31.
May walang 32, no? Really nice. I do that too with my jeans. And daddy does that
Don't
too.
even wear it.
You like it? This is nice.
Yeah.
And then this one you can wear with socks or without socks.
But I want the blue one. I can also wear socks in the
I can buy you that in the other store. Where is? I just wanna see. Walk na. Oh, ayan na lang, no? Babe, ito yung kay Noah.
Can I see? Ay, nice. Yan na lang, mo.
Ayan yung, napili namin for Noah. Tapos kay Naxi naman, this one. Ayan na, tinanggal na nila yung rubber shoes nila.
High five.
Hello!
Hi. Alay? Copy niyo lang po.
Alis kami ng bahay, 11 a.m. Ngayon, 11 p.m. na. Nakakapagod. Grabe. Tapos hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner. 11 p.m. na. Grabe. Parang yung pinaka nag-consume lang ng oras is yung traffic. Oo, traffic. Ayan, tapos, kanina nag-ikot-ikot pa kami hanggang West Avenue. Naghahanap ng pagkain. Ang ending, kapitbahay din namin yung Max. Doon din kami bumili. Tapos ayoko ng sinigang. Sinigang din yung na-order. Kasi wala nang nilag. Ano sabi? Ano nangyari? Ngayong araw lang na ito.
Malay ko. Hi ka na?
Ayoko na. Ito shake. Ito, usubuan ko sila.
Kain ka lang. Ayan, kare-kare. Hindi nakakatabayan. Gulay lang yan.
Aalis na tayo. Ay, naku, kanina sinigang din yung kinain namin. Kaya kumain na, uy, sabay-sabay na tayo.
Stop na muna yan kasi siguro na ito.
Ito, ilalagay ko na sa plato.
Babe, kain na.